Hey everyone, it's me Mark, and this is just a quick video on the Apple AirTags. So these are the Apple AirTags, and I just got them. There are 4 pieces in this box. You can get them separately for one piece for about, I think it's $29 or 35 euros. And there's the 4-pack that costs about $99 or 119 euros. So it's pretty cool. It's just a little there's a little tags you can track stuff with, so you can actually attach them to your keychain, or you can attach them to your bag, or whatever you want to attach them to. And I'll just be unboxing this today. But before we go to the unboxing, let's just take a look at the AirTags on the Apple's website. So just go to apple.com and AirTags, and let's go to learn more, and I'll just show you what's included in the AirTags. So they're pretty small, as you can see. This is not the actual size; they're pretty small. And Apple actually made them to so you can track your backpack and other things like keys and stuff like that. You're not supposed to be able to track people with it yet. I don't know, but it says here how Apple devices and keep up with friends and family. So not really sure about this part over here. But in a YouTube video, another YouTube video, I heard that Apple is not allowing you to track people. So what you can do is first thing you do is unpack it, and then you sync it to your iPhone, and then you can buy one of these things. This is just kind of keychain kind of thing where you can put your AirTags in, and you can attach it to stuff, and it works through Bluetooth. So there's a battery built in, and the battery itself sends out a Bluetooth signal, and it connects to other iPhones and iDevices, Apple devices in near it, and then you can track it through it sends a signal there, and then it sends that signal back to you, so you can track it wherever it is, as long as there's an iPhone or something in near it. Okay, another cool thing about it is that you can see here, if you have an iPhone 11 or newer, then you can actually use this tracking over here. It's called precision finding. With precision finding, you can actually open the app, and then it'll make an arrow, and that arrow is going to show you how far away your AirTags are and where you have to go. So that's pretty cool. You can even make your AirTags make a sound, which is pretty cool. So if you want an audible notice where your AirTags are, if you're near you, you can actually play a sound like you can do with other iDevices. Okay, and there's this lost mode. Lost mode just makes you you can put a message on the AirTag, and that AirTag will be, if somebody else has an iPhone or another phone, then they can put it near the AirTag if they have NFC enabled. And the NFC stands for near field communication. That's a kind of protocol. If they have NFC enabled, then they can actually see your message you left behind. So you can put your phone number here, or you can actually put your address here, and your contact details, so that somebody can contact you in case they find your AirTag and whatever is connected to it. Okay, so there's also this privacy kind of thing, that if you have an AirTag with you, but you don't have an iPhone and it's not your AirTag, then your iPhone will actually notify you that this AirTag belongs to someone else, and you can disable tracking on that one. So the question is actually, what happens when your AirTag is actually stolen? So let's just say you have it in your backpack is stolen. The problem is, if the thief has an iPhone, the AirTag will notify them that they have an AirTag with them, and they're probably being tracked. So that's not really good, right? Because then they'll just get rid of the AirTag. So that's a big problem. I don't know what they're planning to do with in the future of the software, but let's just hope it can find out if your bag is actually stolen, or if your things are actually stolen or not. So I think that's just if you turn on find the stolen mode, or what's it called? You can mark it as lost, right? If you turn that on, then everybody near you or near the tag will get info that it's stolen, that they can give it back. But the problem is, if it's a thief, then they'll get that info too, if they have an iPhone. So that's really weird. Let's just hope Apple fixes that in the future. Okay, so different colors. The AirTag itself doesn't have different colors, but you can customize it. If you buy it directly from Apple, you can put you can engrave it with your initials, up to 4 characters, or with emoji or something like that. And another thing, it has a very long battery life, so it lasts about a year, right? So there's a CR2032 battery in there, and it's also replaceable, right? But it's also water resistant, so that's pretty cool. but you won't be able to find it like if it dropped in the ocean or in a lake, because Bluetooth doesn't go through water, or doesn't go through water that easily. Okay, so that's about it. There's also this from Hermes kind of tag. You can like this letter kind of thing you put it there. It's about $400, so don't buy one of those. The usual ones cost about between $11 and $29. 29 is like the Apple price, but this one here is like 429, something like that. So you don't have to, unless you have a lot of money. You don't have to buy that. Okay, so that's about all I wanted to say. Oh, by the way, it has a U1 chip built in, which means that if your cell phone or your device has a U1 chip built in too, they can turn on precision finding, which makes it easier to find like the approximate location of your AirTag. Okay, so speaker, you can let it make a sound, like talk about. Nobody knows what the accelerometer is for, but I think it's like the Apple Watch if you like have a fall, if you're falling down, right? Or if you're like if like you have a car accident or something like that, then this might be like useful to like send a signal out to like alert everybody, or maybe send an SOS signal out. So I guess that's for that, but nobody ever talked about it yet, so it'll probably get announced pretty soon. Okay, 2032 battery. That's the one that's usually used for keys. Okay, another thing that's very important, you have to upgrade to iOS 14.5, which was released recently. If you don't upgrade to 14.5, you cannot use the AirTags, and that's the version actually where you can actually opt out of tracking from apps. So the tracking from apps is like if a website wants to track you along different kinds of websites, like Facebook, for example, you can opt out of that. So that's what iOS 14.5 lets you do. It's actually good for, it's supposed to be good for consumers, but the problem is if you don't allow tracking, then you'll probably get more irrelevant ads. So tracking allows you to get irrelevant ads that actually fit to what you're looking for. And if you disable tracking, then you might get ads that you're not really interested in, which will make it a bad customer experience. So that's all about the tech specs. Let's go ahead and unbox this. This is the one with 4 AirTags in there. And I'll just open it up. Let's see if I can open it up without destroying anything. But, okay, so Apple glues this pretty well, so I guess it won't be possible to open this up without like destroying it. But on the bottom, there's like this little green arrow. So the green arrow in the bottom is pretty cool because you can like open this up that way. So let's just open up using the green arrow and see what happened. And then, this part goes, you can open this in the bottom. Okay, so you don't open it from the top, you actually open it from the bottom. And as you can see here, you can pull it out. So Apple puts this little tag over here. And the good thing about it is that it's easy to open. And as you can see here, there's some documentation, safety and handling. It talks about the battery. The battery contains a coin cell battery, which is that little round battery. I'll show you how that looks like in a second. Yeah, so this is how the battery looks like. I just opened it by, what you have to do is like press it down, right? Just press it down and then turn it. If you twist it, then you'll see the battery, and it's a Panasonic CR2032 battery, 3 volt, which is actually used on your keys. And yeah, so just change the battery by putting it out, and then just close it when you're done, and twist to close. Okay, so that's it for the battery. And let's just open this up and see what's inside. And as you can see here, there are 4 AirTags. So I didn't buy this at Apple directly, so I couldn't customize them. But if you buy it directly from Apple, you can like get a free engraving. And it says here you have to put it near your iOS device and turn on Bluetooth. So the pairing with your iOS device requires Bluetooth. So let's just do that now. I'll take one of these out. So over here. And now let's get my cell phone. Let me see. I'll get my cell phone, and then I'll put the cell phone on to, let's see, I'll just turn on airplane mode. So notifications are turned off, Bluetooth is turned on, and I'll turn on don't disturb. And now let's just connect this to my computer so you can see my screen, and I'll put the my iPhone near a software update is required to connect your iPhone. I don't want a software update now, but let's just go ahead. I'll just add my iPhone to the screen and I'll make it a little bigger. I'm using the software called Ecamm to do this. Ecamm is a paid subscription software, but you can do a lot of cool things. And if you have a Mac, which you probably do if you're like using, if you're watching this video, then you can actually use Ecamm with a Mac to do live streaming and stuff. So I put this, this is my iPhone, and put it like near me, and then these are the AirTags. In order to turn the AirTags on, all you have to do is remove the plastic wrapping. And there's like this plastic between the battery and the AirTag itself, which closes the circuit once you remove it. Okay, so I'll just unwrap it. It looks pretty cool. It's very, very shiny. It's like this chrome kind of thing over here, right? This part is on chrome, and the other side is actually it's white plastic, and this is the side you can actually engrave it with. Okay, so now let's just pull this out. So as you can see here, it's let me see if I can focus. Okay, so I'll pull this out, and this will actually close the circuit. So the battery will be connected. Let's pull it out. It should make a sound. And as you heard, it made a sound. Okay, so now let's connect this to my iPhone. So I'll just get my iPhone and I'll put it near the iPhone, and it should automatically, as you can see here, it says AirTag and connect. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to press connect. I'll click on the connect button. Okay, click on connect. And now you can name your AirTag. Okay, so it has a few suggestions here. You can say it's connected to my backpack, to my bike, to my camera, to my handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet. Okay, so you can like either choose one of those, but I can actually do a custom name. Okay, so let's just go and click custom name and click continue, and I'll call this car. Okay, I don't know if it'll work with a car, because once your iPad AirTag is far away from you, after 3 days it'll make like noises and stuff like that. So we'll just try and test that out, and I'll show you in a future video if that worked out or not. Okay, so car, and then click on continue. Okay, now I can select an emoji to represent this AirTag. So either you like engrave it on the AirTag itself, or you can like do it like this. So I'll just choose an emoji, and I'll call this, I'll just see if I can find a car emoji. Cannot set up AirTag, check your internet connection and try again. You have to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on in order to like connect this this AirTag to your cell phone. So if you cannot pair your AirTag right away, go to Find My. So click on Find My and go to the bottom where it says items. That's like the third icon over there. And then go to Add Item. Okay. And then we're going to go to Add AirTag. Okay, it's searching for an AirTag. Now let's put the AirTag very near to the phone. As you can see, it found it. Okay, now let's just click on Connect. So I'll click on Connect here. Connect. And let's name this. I'll call it car again, as we did before. And then I'll click on continue. Okay. And let's choose an emoji. Let's see if we can find one. Then I'll click on continue. Okay. Now I can register it. Let's just click on continue to register it. And now it's going to be registered online. You have to have internet connection to be able to do that. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting this in my car. Oh, it made a noise. Okay, car with you. Precision finding, play sound, direction and maps, find in my app. In my view and find my app. Okay, so now the thing is we can like do a lot of things with this. Okay, so I'll just go view and find my app. Okay, and then I can actually play a sound. So let's just play a sound. Let's see how that works. If that sounds good. Okay, let's stop playing the sound. So if it's near you, you can't find it, you can't see it, then you can play a sound to actually hear where it is. So that's like a good thing about it. And then let's just try and go to find. Okay, let's go find. And this is turning on precision finding, and it'll actually show where the iPad is, AirTag is. Okay, it's here. Okay, if you put it far away, it's about 0.5 meters away. Okay, so as you can see, like the farther away I put it, and I can play a sound like this. Okay, I just pressed on the sound. Okay, let's close it. Okay, if you go down, you can enable lost mode, which means you can actually give it, you can enable this, and let's see what happens. Notify when found. Pairing lock. This item is linked to your Apple ID so no one else can pair it. Leave phone number and message. So you can do all of those things. So I can actually say continue. Okay. And then I can leave my phone number over here. Let's leave my phone number. Okay, and let's leave a message. Okay, notify when found. Yes, please. Can only be enabled when not in close proximity to the item. Okay, so I gotta like put it farther away. And this item has been lost. Please call me. Okay, and I can activate this if I want to. Okay, let's see what happens if I activate it. Lost mode is enabled. Okay, so when this is far away, I can actually, somebody else can like find it, and then they'll see my telephone number, and they can notify me. Let's just turn this back off. Turn off lost mode, because it's not actually lost. I just want to show you how to do that. Okay, I can rename the item. I can like notify when found. I can play a sound, and I can use this find kind of thingy. Okay, so that's about it with the AirTag. I can actually add new AirTags if I want to, but you can see it in the map, and it's pretty cool. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be testing it out. I'm going to be putting this in my car, and then I'll do another video showing you if this actually works or not. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty small. So if you want to buy one of those, then go ahead to go to the Apple website and buy them. I think they're pretty cheap for 119 euros or $99 for 4 pieces. They are pretty cheap, and you can actually use this to track stuff so they don't get lost. A lot of people are talking about if you can track like your kid or your pet with this, but Apple doesn't allow it, so that won't work unless they like make software changes or something like that. So I don't know. Let's just wait and see what comes out in the next few days, because I think Apple is testing this in the public and seeing what people actually need. And if everybody like wants to use this to actually track their pets or something like that, then they'll probably figure out a way to like enable that in the software, and to like make accessories to like something you put around your pet to like hold this in place. Okay, so that's it for this video. You tell me in the bottom, are you getting an AirTag or not? And if you are, just post in the bottom in the comments what you're going to be using it for. So that's all for now, and have an awesome day, and bye bye.